Instagram, you know that I received a swag package from Spax screws. And so I want to go through the unenveloping of it with you all. And if you want to get one of these too, then just go into the Spax website, send them your mailing address, and they'll send this to you. So the first item here is an awesome bag of Spax screws. Put this paper out here. Yeah, this is awesome. This is all of their T-Star Plus Drive screws. Oh, wow. Heck yeah. So it's essentially a goodie bag of all of their screws. So you got the T-Star, flathead, the uni drive, everything in here. Oh, you could definitely do a little project with all these. These are awesome. So I think this is kind of cool. It's just to have in the shop. You never know when you're gonna need some. Plus you could try them out, see if you like them, and then go purchase a box. Or maybe if you're a contractor, you want to keep this around so you can show your customers, you know, what kind of screws you use. They'll even give them this little pamphlet just so they know that you're using good materials. I think this is pretty awesome. So it came with that. And 2 little notepads, pretty cool. And this quick reference guide. So I think this will be some nice bathroom reading. Something that, you know, probably some information that you don't normally think about looking at, but now that you have it in this little booklet, it'll be pretty cool to read. All the different specifications on the power leg and the fasteners. That's pretty awesome. Cool. And it came with another grab bag. So some serious power leg screws. These are awesome. These are like, I don't know, they're like 20-40 cents each. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, I like these. Some serious hex keys as well, or with the hex bolt. This is great. And has some more information about what you got. No pre-drilling, that's pretty dope. I honestly pre-drill anyway. Well, actually I've only used these sorts of screws here, but I pre-drill all of them. Tell me what you guys do. Do you pre-drill, even though technically I guess you don't have to with these guys? And what else did they get? Oh, a little card says thank you for your interest. Little cloth, clean your glasses. And of course a Spax pin. So this is a nice package here. And all you have to do is go to the Spax website, send them your information, and they mail this to your house. So check it out.